Hey everyone, thank you for watching my toddler nighttime routine, and I can't wait to show you how our night goes. And I'm just starting off with making dinner and prepping some vegetables. And she's just having some rice, broccoli, and hamburgers with little ketchup. And I'll give her the sweet potatoes later, they're not done yet. And after dinner, I usually let her play outside or just play in her playroom for a little bit, and then we'll have bath time. Oh my gosh! Ava! And after her bath, I usually try to just read her as many books as I can just to settle in through the night, and it helps her sleep so much better too.
Geez.
After she's done playing, I give her a bottle and I let her chill in our bed for a little bit until she gets really tired. She doesn't sleep with us. I just let her just chill in her bed, and then I'll put her in her crib. While she's watching some TV, I do my nighttime routine, and these are some of my favorite products that I use. And I'll take a shower and then read her some books when I'm done. And then I'm going to put this Gradual Tanning Milk moisturizer on, and I love that. It just is a gradual tanner and it doesn't feel sticky or anything, so I'll link that below as well. And then we just chill in bed and read some books, and then I'll put her in her crib. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and comment below what your favorite book is to read to your kid at night. And thanks for watching. Bye!